Hi, my name is Ranjith Kumar. I have joined QSpiders in September 2021. I choose a testing package. The Java was taken by Mr. Nandish and SQL and manual testing was taken by Mr. Shubham. The teaching was really awesome and I have learned a lot of technical stuff, and now I got placed in a good MNC. And about QSpiders, I would say HR team was very helpful, and also they provide a lot of interviews to attend. You can trust QSpiders and you can join in QSpiders, and you can also learn a lot of technical stuff. And I'm very happy to be a part of QSpiders family, and thank you.